Across Wales, many thousands of people and their families are struggling to afford housing, which surely is a basic human right to have decent, affordable housing. The Communist Party has long stood for social housing. We've long called for a crash programme of council house building to ensure that everybody has a decent home, decent social facilities. But instead of more council housing being built, what we've actually seen is an explosion in private sector renting. And whilst there are, of course, landlords, small-scale landlords, who treat their tenants decently, there are many, many rogue landlords who don't provide decent accommodation and don't provide the services and facilities that they're obliged to provide in law. So tenants need protection, and that means that their organisations need support and their rights should be enhanced. At the same time, ordinary people need decent housing of every kind, and the Communist Party thinks that that should be a priority. It's certainly a priority issue for us in this election. The other parties, I'm afraid, listen too much to the property developers who just want to make money out of people's basic need for decent housing and decent accommodation.